Grabe oh. Good morning. Grabe yung view. Kakalangay ko tuhod sa view.
Grabe kayo ang mama 55 man.
Limestone.
Ay, kuhan. Ay.
Morning, sirs.
Ay, ribon ba?
Agkalangay ko eh. Morning, sir.
Morning.
Kalangay ko kay tsada kayang view. Kalangay ko. Morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, ma'am. 8 kilometers. Morning, sir. 8 km na. So, 7 more. I think this is the last elevation na. Then, pababa na dayon. Kaya pa.